Hey guys, welcome here again. And after a longer time, after vacation time, after summertime, back in my garage. Today, I want to demonstrate or show a little thing which I challenged last 2 weeks ago, and that was using my multi-cut tool, Fein, and I found out I don't have a blade. So I went to buy a blade for a store. Yeah, and I was surprised. Not surprised. I knew the blades for the tool is pretty expensive, and I ran out of the blade pretty quick. And some of them said it's a bimetal carbide. So here's my Fein tool, E-cut, and so after destroyed or used a few blades, I decided to fix a blade or uh, reuse the blade somehow, one or the other way, somehow to reuse it. How you can reuse dull blade. Now I find it out, maybe it's possible if you sharpen it, but there is no way to sharpen blade which is like already dual carbide teeth. And yeah, so how to reuse it, or how to not throw to the garbage and go and buy another quite expensive blade, Starlock, and to use it for small thing. If you run out in a job at home, and you need to finish your job to trim the let's say molding or something. Okay, so I did try it one and it worked. Now I want to demonstrate how to reuse it. So I find it out, if I will cut it, the carbide part, because no way you can sharpen the carbide part teeth. So I cut it off. So I'll show you how to. And using grinder and quite thin blade for the grinder. Hi Samko. Now, okay, this here goes, maybe I'm going to cut it off first, the carbide part, my grinder. No. And after cutting this off, I will try to do grind in a teeth. Maybe it will work, maybe not, and it worked for a few cuts, which is okay. Yeah, I'll use this one here. It's always good to use some gear, PPI gears, personal protection equipment. Now cut this off. Cut this part with carbide. I'll show you how you cannot even, if you grind the carbide part, nothing happens, even no spark. There's no spark on the carbide. Okay. All right, carbide part off. Now, yeah, it's all right. It looks okay. This part here. Now I'm going to cut inside some like teeth in just in the middle, something like this. For this here, you need really thin grinding blade. And how many, I don't know how many I will get. All right, so see what happened after. Okay, maybe if I go the angle, like the angle, probably works better. Okay, let's see what I can achieve. And what? But this is so, you know, you cannot see through it. Oh my god. Oh, you know. Okay. They told me to use this. Holy sucks. All right. Okay. Well, I'm like good. I'm going like. Okay, look. I've got some teeth on it here. So they are quite nicely angled. I don't know how sharp. We'll see. It should be one the way and the second opposite way. But it's okay. I will try to. Okay, let me smooth this part. All right. This here took me maybe like 10 minutes to do. We'll see if I can do some job with that old unusable blade. All right, so maybe yes, maybe not, but we never know until you try. Star lock. Okay, lock. Blade is locked now. Wow. It's good to try and see what happens. So let me find it. This is soft wood. Let's see how it works. Maybe it works, maybe not. But save a little bit money, and if you in a rush and need to finish a little job with the thing to cut, maybe. Well, I don't know. It's smoking, but it's cutting. It's cutting not so bad. And like I said, if you are in the middle of job or if you want to save some money, then it's worth it. Like smoking, it's really smoke. Yeah, all right. I cut it off. It was a little bit. It's a little bit smoky, but get some work done from the blade completely dull like this to this. All right. For few cuts, it's okay. So thank you for watching, and give me this thumb like and say hello.